Now in this video tutorial, what I want to do is talk a little bit about how you can go about going out and finding some logos that you can put on your business card. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration, and then we're going to go ahead and see if we can find something for Century 21 logo. And I've just picked Century 21. I have no affiliation with them. It's just the fact I've decided this time I'll use Century 21 instead of Remax or Coldwell Banker or whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull up Google, and I've already have the website open, and what I'm going to do is right up here I'm going to switch to images. And under images I'm just going to show you that you can locate different kinds of pictures, or if you will, logos. So the first one I'm going to try is RE/MAX, and just click on Remax logo, and of course we'll see all the logos that they basically have here that we can utilize. And this goes on and on and on. Some of them you'll notice that are just generic logos for Remax, and some of them, if they have a name underneath it, they are associated with a particular company, a particular, if you will, franchise of Remax. But all you really have to do is find what you're looking for. So you just move over the top, and you'll see that if you look at my cursor, what Google's done now is that it automatically will show you, like for example in this one here, that in the gray area below it says 1125 by 975 community mortgage. That just happens to be the size of the graphic, so you know what it is. So again, if you decided to change or use any one of these logos, all you realistically have to do is just find the one that you want. For example, if I wanted this one right here, this is fairly large by the way, I would just right click and I would just say Save Picture As, and then I would give it a name, and I would just say, for example, RE-MAX logo, and it's going to save as a JPEG file, and I just say Save. And now I've got that logo. Now let's go and look for a couple other logos. I'll try Coldwell, Coldwell, Banker logo, which is right here. And again, we can go in and find Coldwell Banker graphics that we can utilize, and it follows the same thing. You know, if you have a name underneath it like this, it just means that it's Coldwell Banker logo tied to that particular company. Now I'm going to go up here and try Century 21. So I'll just go in here and put in CENTURY 21, and I'm going to space logo, LOGO, and again something pops up here, and I'll just say find it, and then these are all the Century 21 logos. Now one of the things I also want to point out to you is the fact that some of these logos will have like this color. And one of the reasons we want to do this is because we want to get the colors that the company utilizes. And I also want to point out to you the fact that some of these logos, you'll see where you have like this sort of darkish brown gold color for the roof, the little registration logo right here. And this will do better in blending into your background, if you will. You know, because if you want to still maintain some form of white space. But you can go down here and find something that you basically want. In my particular case, I believe I found something here. This one right here. I kind of like this one, so I'm just going to right click on it. I'm going to say Save Picture As. And again, I've already saved this. I actually have it down here. I believe I saved it automatically, or have saved it before right here, Century 21 logo. But again, you would put the name of the logo in and you'd save. In this case, since I already had it, I'm just going to say I'm going to replace it. But what I want you to do is get the idea that you can go out and find these logos that you can utilize on your business flyers, that you can utilize on your business cards, and other literature that you would have available. And what I'm going to be doing in the next video tutorials to show you how you would put this on your business card, and also how you would be able to make sure that your colors that you have here are the same colors for the companies. Because, for example, you'll notice that when we looked at Coldwell Banker logos have a certain color they have more like a blue color, so we would want to get that color if we were going to make our business card. We would want to utilize those colors. Same thing with Remax. If we went to REMAX logo, you'll notice their color scheme is also different. So let me search for images here. Let me see, Coldwell Banker. I'll just put in Remax, Max logo, and hopefully this will work this time. Okay, so you'll notice that they all have a certain color scheme that they've picked. In this case, Remax is red, blue, and white. But the other thing to keep in mind is that these colors are not just red. They have a certain shade, if you will, associated with them. So when we make a business card, we're going to kind of want to pick that shade of color up. It would really look funny if their color of red looks like this, but we use a really bright red, or we use a very low, very soft looking red. We want to get as close as we can to the colors that the company is utilizing. So we're going to be doing that in the next video tutorial.